I know it's been a tough week. Woo-woo! It's Friday, though. Man, you didn't give up. You did not give up. Man, the devil tried, but not today. Woo-woo! Celebrate. Jump up and down. You got a job to go to. Jump up and down. You woke up. Woo-woo! Let's go, man. Let's go. It's Friday. Do not give up. Strive to do better. And know Jesus has got you. Whatever you praying on, man, it's coming. I'm here to tell you it's coming. Woo-woo! Let's go, baby. One more for Jesus. Woo! Oh, gas. Let's go. Not today, devil. I know you tried real hard. I know you've tried. You don't need no coffee, just the Holy Spirit. Woo-woo! Woo-woo! Yeah, I was going to do it a little different this morning. One more for Jesus. Woo-woo!